What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It is Lola Nicole here, and before we get started, I just want to say it's kind of raining outside, so if you hear any rain, that's what that is. Also, my vent is blowing air like it's crazy. Bear with me. Second of all, I'm going to show you guys my hair today. It's really just a top knot bun. Baby hair's laid just a little bit, just a tad bit, little tad bit. Alright, and then I have like this gold string on my hair. I got this string from Walmart. Typically, obviously, it's used for braiding hair. You know, you put on your braids, be cute or whatever, like little Rapunzel. But I put it on my bun because, you guys, we're queens. We're all queens. We need to do more. We need to do more. Be creative. Who cares what people say, what they have to say? Speaking of, right now, pause the video. I don't know. Scroll down. Keep watching. Whatever you want to do. Comment down below stuff you want to see. I don't care if you know me. I don't care if you do know me. I don't care who you are. I care about what you have to say. So comment down below. Let me know what you want me to do. All that good stuff. Yes. Yes. Third thing, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at @TheLoNicole. I'll put that somewhere on the screen. I'm saying this just because, not because I'm really trying to gain followers, but if you guys want a front seat to anything that I do, my looks are always posted on Instagram. Some of them that I do have tutorials on, some of them I do not. They're all posted there, as well as my polls on my story. You guys can interact with me, questions, DMs, everything. It's pretty much all on there. And Depop. I'll put my Depop down there too because the girl has a Depop now. I'm trying to sell all my old clothes, get a little more coin, period. And I really want to like get into like the look. Like I want to describe it to you guys, but I feel like it's going to be so difficult to describe. So I'd rather just do it than describe it. So first things first, pretty much already did my eyebrows. So, let me guys can see. Yeah. Bomb as fuck. But anyway, I'm going to prep my skin with the primer. I'm going to spray it with the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Spray. If it'll come out. Come on, man. Don't make me look like I'm broke. I'm just going to take a brush and really just put that into my skin. And then take my primer and apply it to my lips. Since my brows are already done, I really just need to go ahead and put a base on my eyelids. And now I have this sample of the Tarte Full Coverage Clay Foundation. It's a little bit too light for me. I'm just going to apply it. Actually, I've been like, this is so funny. I've been putting it on my lid. And then I've been like dabbing it in with my finger. Just because for some reason, I just feel like this works best. And then I just dab it on there as I go, reaching my brow bone, because I don't want any, like, I say gray area, but I know y'all know what I mean, like that area where there's like nothing right there. It's just like skin. It has like no foundation, no eyeshadow. It's just skin that has like no product on it. Like, come on now, sis. Alright, so first things first, I'm going to do, this is going to be a really quick, easy, simple look. I want to do a white today. Like, I want to do a pure white today. Use this little brush. I'm going to use the white in the Morphe palette. It's kind of chalky. I don't really know if it's going to hold today, but a girl can only dream, right? So I'm just going to go in and press this on my eyelid. Lola don't need no press. Kill them all, but most of some bulletproof. To be honest, this is alright. So I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. This, do not use this as a primer because it does not work. It does not have my vote. So don't use that. I'll be right back. So we're back, and I just went ahead and put Makeup Revolution concealer on my eyes. I don't know why I tried to be all fancy and use something else. So yes, back to this. Yes, so I'm just put the white right here in this part of my eye, going the shape of my eye. And so I'm just gonna keep putting that on, blending it out. Nice little subtle white. Same thing. Well, actually I'm not gonna do part by part on each eye. I'm just gonna do the damn thing. So I want the white like this, kind of like half of my eye. Go with the shape of your eye. Like a lot of people just don't be doing that. It's deadly important. So in my 35B Morphe palette, I'm gonna go with that deep orange in the bottom, and then I'm just going to blend it through just like this. Blending it up a little bit in my crease, just like this. Dab or pack, whatever you want, and then go in the direction that you're wanting your eye, whatever. There you go. So I'm gonna get another fluffy brush, orange blush by MAC. It's in the color Loudspeaker, very accurate. And so I'm just going to put this on the outside and blend it forward. So going back in Loudspeaker and just doing the same thing that I did with the deep orange in the Morphe palette and working it into my crease. So packing and then going forward, working into my crease. Because I just want the white to have, like, you know, a nice balance to it. So I'm going to go into like a blending brush, and then I'm just going to blend these two. So going back into this light orange right here, putting the excess on my hand and just blending it all through. I'm going to go back into the white and pack that back on my eye, just like this, and blending all this through. This is how far I've gotten. I want to do like more into the transition, so I'm going to go to this light orange that's in this palette and just kind of like go right here, like a little bit below my brow bone, and mix it in with the color that's already there. Just blend this out. I'm gonna do liner, but I'm not gonna do a wing. And also, I'm gonna try to demonstrate my best glowy, glowy skin during this. And I had like a liquid highlighter, but honestly I have no idea where it went. But that's what I always do when I'm going for glowy skin. I put a liquid highlighter as my primer, if that makes sense. So just this little thick liner right here. Make everything straight as possible. Make sure you get any white spaces, like under, like if you look up and you have like that line, like right here, the liner isn't completely on my eye. So I'm going in and fixing any space by my lash line that's empty. So now I'm going to get into the skin part. Yeah, I'm going to take it's like an eye cream, and I'm going to put that underneath my eye. I did this in one of my looks the other day, and to be honest, it just took so well. And the concealer, like when I put it on top, it just really stuck. Like it didn't move at all, which I was really like ecstatic about. But yes, I'm just going to do the same thing on this side. Right. And this is my Bare Minerals Dew Mist. And I'm gonna spray, like right now it's just kind of like a matte, obviously good to my skin, but I'm gonna take this. I miss it every time. Okay, anyway, that's what it looks like. Crazy, right? Anyway, it has sparkles in it. It's really like dewy, like seriously dewy. And so I'm just gonna take this big brush and press it into my skin, not rubbing but pressing into my skin. So I'm gonna take this foundation, Makeup Revolution. Honestly, it's been my favorite foundation, seriously. And so I take it and I just go on my skin. It's full coverage, $12. Got it at Ulta. Rumor has it that it used to be in drugstores, but now it's at Ulta. Plus $12. I've been using brushes like this. Don't be scared. Put on my foundation and I just press and it's just, it covers easily, like seriously. And press. And I do this all over my face. Y'all, this foundation is bomb. Like, I never get over how bomb it is every time I put it on. Now, I will say, I used this yesterday as a concealer mixed with this. Alright, I'm gonna try this again today. Hopefully it works out well. Apply this onto my under eye right here. I'm gonna, you know, do the little thing right here. Putting this underneath my eye. The same thing on this side. And here. I'm gonna leave these other areas pretty much alone because I'm going to use the other concealer. This is the Makeup Revolution concealer. And I'm just putting this in my regular areas. My nose. And then up here. Going back in with that same foundation brush. I'm doing this all over. Just like this. And going down. Getting the forehead. This line on my nose. All of the above. Just look how flawless this looks, y'all. Skin is not really an easy thing to nail, but once you have it, you just get it. And so now I'm going into my contour stick. And I like to use the same brushes in terms of skin because it already has the previous product from which you used it. So I basically kind of just, it just mixes well. It doesn't do too much. I'm blending my contour. It's the same technique that I do to blend my shadow. I press and pull up into the shape of my cheek. So pressing and then pulling up. And you see how it's just blending so effortlessly. Alright, and then just taking my fingers and blending this out on my nose. And taking the brush and dabbing over it and letting it blend out whatever else needs to be blended out. And this is the contour. For my powder, I'm using Bella Pierre Cosmetics HD Finishing Powder. They also have a good gel eyebrow pomade. Bomb. It sticks, does not come off at all. So I'm using this little fluffy brush right here. And I'm going to press into the areas that I have applied my highlight. And pressing. I think I just snorted that in my nose. And then right here. And then, of course, the contour. And I curve up right before I get to my lip, like an inch right here. That really curves your cheeks out even more. And then I just brush any excess away. Press up here. And then I'm going to take this little brush right here. Definitely not that one, that stuff all over it. This one. And I'm going to draw a line on my nose to let that bake. So now I'm going to do my blush just a little. Not too much, not too much. But the same blush that I used for my eyes. And just do dab right here. This is the same skin brush, but honestly, I don't think it really is going to do that much. So I'm going to take this bigger brush that I had earlier. And I'm just going to blend out the blush. So now it's my highlight time. So I'm going to use Fenty Beauty Highlight, the Girl Next Door, and Chic Freak. So I'm going to take this little brush and I'm going to use the setting spray, spray the brush, air it off a little bit, go into my highlight, and apply it all the way up here. I learned this trick when I was watching Nikki tutorials. I don't like when my highlight looks splotchy or any of those things. So back into like a little brush that I use, I'm going to put the highlight on my lip, because I always do this. And I did leave the powder on my nose, simply because my nose does get oily. Like, it's one thing I don't understand. So take the highlight on my nose and then drag it up. I'm gonna do my lips. I'm just gonna do my normal lip combo because the eyes are already a lot. This is a MAC 8. Oh god, it fell out because it kind of broke. Lord forgive me. Blend it out with my little buffy brush right here. Just blend this out. And then I'm going to put on my lashes. But before that, I'm going to go with this little brush right here and then get the under part of my eye. This. So this is the finished look. I just went and put on lashes, spray my face, and blend that in. I want to give you guys a close-up of the look. I opened my blinds a little bit, so they probably will add some more light in here. Sorry if it's too bright. But yeah, this is the finished look. I really think this look is so cute. Definitely a summertime thing, like real hot girl shit for real. But yes, I think this is so freaking cute, y'all. This is so cute. To the bun, everything. And I probably do a tutorial on my buns soon, on how I do buns on thick hair, because I don't think girls with thick hair have a lot of representation on YouTube. But don't get me wrong, there's definitely YouTubers who have really thick hair, you know, who do their job as well. But this is a finished look. If you guys love it, comment, like, and subscribe. Be sure to let me know how you guys feel. Seriously, y'all's interaction means everything to me, from the bottom of my heart, truly. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram also at Nicole. I'll put that on the screen. But yeah, that's it.